One of the biggest mistakes new Newegg sellers make is thinking there is only one way to list products. In reality, there are two completely different workflows. One is perfect if you are uploading your first product. The other can save you hours when you are managing a large catalog. Today, I'll walk you through both step by step. And trust me, the process is simpler than you think. So before you panic seeing the dashboard, let's start. Alright, so before we jump into the backend, let's quickly go over the two ways you can upload products on Newegg. The first is manual upload, where you list one product at a time. The second is bulk upload, which lets you upload thousands of products at once using a feed file. We'll start with the manual process. First, open your Newegg Sellers portal. From here, click Items, then Price and Inventory. This is where you will see all of your published products. If you haven't listed any products yet, you will need to create one. To do that, click Create Item. At the top, you will see a search box, and right below you will find two options. The first lets you create a brand new product that's not already listed on Newegg, and the second lets you upload multiple products using a feed file. If you're not familiar with feed file yet, don't worry, we'll cover them later in this video. Anyway, we're creating a brand new product that is already listed on Newegg. Once you click it, you'll see two fields. The first is for a short product title. The second is for selecting the product subcategory. Now simply describe your product in the title field and Newegg will automatically suggest the most relevant subcategory. You can also use the AI listing writer if you need a little help to create the title. Now that we have selected the subcategory, we are on the product detail page right now. And first, choose the product condition, whether it's new, refurbished, or something else. And then next, enter your product title. You can write it yourself or let the AI help. The same goes for the bullet points. You can create them manually or generate them with the AI listing writer. Actually, let's take a quick look. If you open the AI listing writer, you will need to provide a few basic details such as the manufacturer or brand, packs or sets, products, properties, and key features. Once you click Start, Newegg will generate a title and bullet points for you. Pretty useful, right? But for this tutorial, I'll write them myself. Next, enter the manufacturer or brand name, followed by the manufacturer part number, then add the UPC, which stands for Universal Product Code. After that, specify the packs or sets if applicable. Now we are moving on to the features section. This is where you will enter your product's technical specifications such as the display, graphics, CPU, memory, storage, and many more. Since we are listing a laptop, those are the attributes you see here. But if you are listing a different type of products, this field will be different because Newegg automatically adjusts them based on your product's category. Now, if you click Show All Properties, you'll see every available attributes for your product. Fill in as many relevant fields as possible for a more complete listing. Next, move to the pricing and inventory. Here, enter your seller part number, product price, MAP if applicable, and available inventory. Then head over to shipping. Choose your shipping type, whether it's free shipping or a shipping template. For this example, we'll leave it as the default option. Next, enter your package dimensions, including the length, width, height, and weight. Once that's done, it's time for the visual. So upload your product images, and if you have one, you can also add a product video. Next, enter your product description. After that, you will need to complete a few additional fields such as package type, choking hazard information, and the California Proposition 65 warning, if applicable. Once everything is filled out, just click Submit. And that's it. Your product is ready to go live. So that's the manual process. As you can see, it's not that difficult. The challenge is that many sellers either skip important fields or fill them out incorrectly. Hopefully, this walkthrough helps you avoid those mistakes. Now, what if you have hundreds or even thousands of products or variations? Listing them one by one just isn't practical. That's where bulk upload comes in. So let me share my screen again. Once again, click create item. Earlier we used the manual option. This time select upload a file to add multiple items. If you use this feature often, you can even add it to your favorite or quicker access. Next, click batch item creation update. Now download the template file and open it. Don't worry, I'm gonna explain every single column. I'll walk you through the important ones you actually need to fill out and point out the fields that aren't as critical. The first tab you will see is instructions. Take a few minutes to read through it carefully. It will help you avoid common formatting mistakes. Next is the basic info tab. This explains what each field means, such as seller part number, manufacturer part number, and many more. Now switch to the data feed tab. This is where you will enter all of your product information. You'll notice that some column headers are highlighted in red. Those are the required fields, so make sure you don't leave them blank. Alright, start with the seller part number, then enter the manufacturer and then manufacturer part number and UPC. Next, add your item name. You'll also see fields for currency, MSRP, MAP and checkout MAP. These aren't required, so we'll skip them for now. Then enter your selling price, shipping available inventory, item condition, and activation mark. If needed, you can also add condition details, your product image URLs, country of origin, lead time, and shipping template. Once you are done, save the file. Now go back to the seller portal, click upload file, select your completed template, and upload it. And that's it. Your product are now ready for processing. And that's how you list your product on Newegg. I try to keep everything as simple as possible so you can do it yourself with confidence. But listing a product is one thing, growing a successful Newegg business is another. And just like the tutorial, that's exactly what we help sellers do here at Ecomclips. So if you're looking for expert support with your Newegg business, feel free to reach out us. Mail us info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, a peace.